Hello traders, today is Friday. I'm going to cover the Trade Scalper on TradingView. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Let's not trade with funds we can't afford to lose. If you're into scalping, and not even if you are into scalping, but if you like multiple signals, the Trade Scalper available at DayTradeToWin provides signals, as you see them here on the chart, to go long and to go short. Now the good thing about the Trade Scalper is that it uses price action. It is not based on any type of indicator. So if you're using, let's say, moving averages, and you're using MACDs and crossovers, RSI, stochastics, the Trade Scalper does not use any of that terminology in order to go long or to go short. It uses price action. How are the candles moving? Are they going up? Are they going down? Lately, we've had some volatility in the market. So with the Trade Scalper, we like to look at the targets and the stops based on the volatility. The slower the market, the smaller the profit. The larger the volatility, the larger the profit. Now this is on a 1-minute chart. If you went to a 30-second chart, you could see that the signals here are also generated. If you went to a, let's say, a 5-minute chart, you can see here the signals that are generated, and you can also trade overnight. So for the traders that are international, if you're in Asia, if you're in Australia, if you're in London, Switzerland, you have the opportunity to trade 24 hours a day and on any market. So right now I have the E-mini S&P. Let's change that. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. So I'm going to come here to the symbols, and I'm going to change it to the NASDAQ. Now you can trade the MNQ micro, or you can trade the regular NASDAQ. For the new traders, be careful. I would definitely go with the micros, at least if you're starting off. So here are the signals for today. There's a lot of traders that are in trouble now with the market whipsawing, going down, going up. I still believe the market is heading higher, and it will test and surpass the most recent highs. I guarantee that is how the year is going to end. Guarantee is such a bad word to use, so let me strike that. I am expecting the market to go higher, breaking the most recent highs and going beyond that. So it's a little shakeout here in the market, but if you're a day trader, you can see here that there are plenty of signals. All of these signals look really, really good here, and this is on the NASDAQ. If you sign up at DayTradeToWin, you can try the Trade Scalper for free for a limited time. We have that now trial. You can get a trial of the Trade Scalper. If you like it, let us know. I'm happy to set you up with it and make sure that you are doing well in the market. Until next time, good trading. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Join our family of traders and let's get you set up in the next training.